So yeah, continuing the walk. Just keep running. But yeah, beautiful blue one. It's coming up now. See? We complete the I love this sparkliness, right? Breathe that in. And yeah, people ask how I'm so relaxed because I go to places like this and I just chill out and feel gratitude for this life and this body, creation all around us. How could we not? And then it reminds me of abundance, freedom that nature has to give. Made it into, little boxes, the meaning. But just be in that space, beauty, and seeing all these fantastic colors, right? Amazing. Wow, this is quite a sight now. Oh, check that out. Lovely. If you're listening to tunes, these headphones are also doubling as my earmuffs. So yeah, lots of gratitude. This is an update blog. Be outside in the cold. Just get all the full extensions of the body going. Yeah, everybody, get happy for all this. Subscribes. It's been a long journey. Just slowly getting back to music and writing after all of the healing journey I had to go on, but actually think with good reason. Just happen so that I could be an example. Just shine through. Because we have to do our best to shine through all the things that life throws at us. It's always challenge, and I was saying I don't judge my challenge against your challenge. Everyone's challenge is exactly how it feels. Challenge always feels like these bluffs. It's like this looming cliff, right? But when you get over the cliff, you see beautiful vistas and water and clouds, things like that. And also have some good education here. This was the yellow bird magnolia tree. And they were strewn about pumpkins, all about, because we just had Halloween. And yeah, that's my little update for today. Much love, everybody, as always.